Hello, and welcome to this media briefing on FDA's approval of the first COVID-19 vaccine. The vaccine has been known as the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine and will now be marketed as Comirnaty. I'm Abby Capobianco with FDA's Office of Media Affairs. In a moment, I will turn it over to Acting FDA Commissioner Dr. Janet Woodcock for opening remarks. Following Dr. Woodcock, Dr. Peter Marks, Director of the FDA Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, will also provide brief remarks. After the remarks, we will then move to the question and answer portion of the call. Reporters on the phone will be in a listen-only mode until we open the call up for questions. As a reminder, this audio call is being recorded and live-streamed on the FDA's YouTube channel. When asking a question, please state your name and affiliation. Also, please ensure questions pertain to today's announcement and limit yourself to one question so we can get to as many questions as possible. With that, I will now turn the call over to Acting FDA Commissioner Dr. Woodcock.
Thank you, Abby, and thanks all of you for joining. Today is really an important day as the FDA has approved the first COVID-19 vaccine. And as you heard, the vaccine has been known as the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine and will now be marketed as Comirnaty for the prevention of COVID-19 disease in individuals 16 years of age and older. This is a pivotal moment for our country in the fight against the pandemic. While this and other vaccines have met the FDA's rigorous scientific standards for emergency use authorization, as the first FDA-approved COVID-19 vaccine, the public can be confident that this vaccine meets the FDA's gold standards for safety, effectiveness, and manufacturing quality that we require for an approved product. As we continue to battle the COVID-19 pandemic, we're acutely aware that vaccines are one of our greatest weapons against the virus. And we know that vaccine approval holds the promise of altering the course of the pandemic in the United States, and that for some, an FDA-approved COVID vaccine may instill in them the confidence to go and get vaccinated. Working around the clock, FDA staff were able to complete the evaluation of this biologics license application in just over 3 months. This is an unprecedented timeline given the volume of review and the meticulous manner in which it was done. But we want to underscore that our efforts to move as quickly as possible have in no way sacrificed scientific standards or the integrity of our process. Approving the vaccine as rapidly as possible while ensuring a rigorous and thorough review has been our top priority. Based on the results from the clinical trial, the vaccine was 91% effective in preventing COVID-19 disease. Now, Dr. Marks will share more information about the data the FDA evaluated to come to the approval decision. While today's approval includes people ages 16 and older, the vaccine continues to be available under emergency use authorization for individuals 12 through 15 years of age, and to provide a third dose for certain immunocompromised individuals. Healthcare providers can continue to use the vaccine on their shelves that was provided under EUA while production of the approved vaccine product is underway. The FDA-approved vaccine and the EUA-authorized vaccine have the same formulation and can be used interchangeably to provide the COVID-19 vaccine series. In remaining true to our commitment to transparency, information about the data that FDA evaluated to come to this decision will be posted on our website. Today's approval means that the American public can have confidence that Comirnaty is safe and effective and meets FDA's rigorous standards. Please get your COVID-19 vaccine if you have not, and help your family and friends get theirs.